Yeah, that last time I think we um sorted it out. There was some passkey issue, but then I think everyone now has got access to both those places.
Hmm. So this is their non-prod CMS. Prod is again very similar to their non-prod.
Hmm.
So we were onboarded under the Cricket for All tenant.
Correct. So sorry, just we have to use non-prod and prod both, or just one, or
No, no, non-prod is our Q like a QA. Like we just use it for testing purpose. You can just create
Acha.
some
Oh, okay, okay.
videos to get use of the
Like
interface.
dummy uploads and all we can
Yeah.
do in non-prod.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So our basically they call it PP, which is pre-prod. Their
Mm-hmm.
pre-prod is like our QA.
Okay, okay, okay. So
And
whatever we have to do, we have to do in the prod section, right? The
yes,
eventual uploading that we end up doing.
yes.
Okay, fine.
So I've given in detail actually in this doc.
Yeah, yeah. There's a lot of steps here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, if even if some a new guy is sort of coming into the team, they can use this onboarding SOP and get the
Mm-hmm.
access. So I've given a doc for that as well, just so you guys are not blocked on us.
Sure.
And yeah, now on the CMS, right now I'm on the non-prod.
Okay.
So first is basically to create the metadata, whatever metadata that we create in the tagger, similar sort of metadata. We are
Mm-hmm.
saying, okay, we want to create under the sports VOD section. All our clips will be created under the sports VOD only for now because we're only doing a video on demand via JHS. All live streaming or YouTube, everything else will be done from our CMS only. That
Mm-hmm.
flow hasn't changed. Only videos that are being created via Tagger will now be created via Hotstar CMS.
Okay.
Now, yeah, under this sports VOD, we're saying we want to create a new match. So they call it match because all sports clips come under match for them. They have different categories like seasons, episodes, and all of that.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Mm-hmm.
we don't do any of that, we only come under sports and match.
Okay.
So we give video test.
So this title is the video title, is it?
Yeah.
Uh, the whatever title, like okay, okay. But this is
Whatever.
front facing or it's only for the back end in the sense the title that we put here, is it going to appear anywhere?
Yeah, yeah, it's going to come in our headline, right? So
Oh, this is the
whatever
headline.
data, huh?
This will be the headline of the video.
Yes. So whatever data that
But
we give here will
uh,
eventually flow into our CMS as well.
correct. But we can change it over here, no, in our CMS in terms
No,
of
we don't want to change in our CMS. We want to change in this CMS only.
oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. No, because the thing is, once we submit a video, the editorial team checks it and gives it the best headline and all those kind of things in our CMS currently. Uh, so
They have to come to this CMS. Okay, they have to get onboarded as well. They have to do
then
it here.
that's okay, okay. Okay. Because that's a big team. I mean, that's the whole editorial desk, about 15, 20 people, I guess, who work on this. Uh,
Oh, wow. Okay.
yeah, yeah. So I'm saying, but we can change it. If we change it in our CMS, what happens in the sense,
So if we
like,
change it in our CMS, then you have a different title here versus different title in
that
Hotstar.
is fine. Acha, okay. That is the only difference, no? Like,
Yeah, that's the only
internally,
difference. But the thing is, you won't be able to edit titles in RCMS, so it will be restricted to read only. The idea is that the source of truth has to be the JHS data. Let's
acha,
just say
so,
that
okay.
tomorrow, if at all we want to publish on the Hotstar app as well, that's not the
Mm-hmm.
plan right now, but if at all, then we are
Mm-hmm.
saying, okay, we don't want to have a wrong title here versus the correct title on the CI, right? So we're saying one source of truth has to be, and that should be Hotstar.
Okay. But for now, I'm just saying, just for our internal understanding, if at all there is something here that we want to change, can the desk change it in CMS, in our Cricinfo CMS? If at
No.
all, just on our site, if there is a slightly different headline that they feel that can be given.
They can
So
do it
is it
here. I mean, they have to do it here.
has to be done here? Okay.
Yeah. I can get them as well onboarded to the CMS, but yeah, they have to do it here.
Yeah, please do.
Okay. So let's just
Hmm.
say this is a demo title. Now, by
Hmm.
default, it'll always be English. It's mandatory.
Okay.
Whenever we have a Hindi content, we have to select Hindi from here,
Hmm.
and we need to give both Hindi and English values.
And how do we separate the values? Like,
So by default, when you remove this, it'll be English. It'll be saved as English itself. When you do Hindi, uh,
hmm.
do I have any Hindi?
So it means, Sushmita, we have to give both titles in English and in Hindi also for the same video.
Yes.
No, I'm saying, so when you write the title in this space, how do we separate? Like, is there something like a comma after the Hindi value, or
No,
how?
it will
No,
basically auto take that when you select Hindi, it will take Hindi. When you remove Hindi, it will automatically be English. So both will be saved. Same input box, but you can give both depending on this drop down.
Acha, I can. Okay,
got
understood.
it, got it.
Okay.
So for Hindi, we need to do both the titles in English and in Hindi both.
Yes.
Okay. And in English, okay, that's fine. The only the
English, we
default.
remove this,
Yeah,
then it
yeah.
will be English. So
Understood.
for
Understood.
Hindi,
Okay.
this.
So for the
Now,
same video, there'll be a English title and a Hindi value added whenever there's Hindi content.
yeah.
Okay.
Now this I've given in the SOP. This should always be cricket for us.
Hmm.
This will always be Cricinfo tournament, and this
Hmm.
will always be Cricinfo season. All these are hard coded.
Yeah.
Content type is always sport for us. Provider is Cricinfo. They also
This
have
is
an
also Cricinfo is a constant, right? This
yeah.
and
All of
content
these are
provide all the.
constants.
Okay.
So all of these that I have given in the PDF as well.
Hmm.
VOD only VOD. This is always unpublished for us. Now this duration should exactly match our video duration.
And it should be in seconds.
Yes, plus or minus 3 seconds. That's the only delta that they've given. If the
Hmm.
duration does not match, then your video does not get processed.
Okay.
So let's just say I'm giving 243. This is not for us. VOD start date is when do we want that video to be live on the site?
Hmm.
So
So
for
we usually want our videos right away, like.
yeah, so we just pick it from here. It will take both date and time right away.
Hmm. Hmm.
And the end date can be whatever. I'm just putting August 31st. You can also update time from here.
Hmm. Okay.
Date from here and then specific time if you have
Hmm.
any from here because we
Hmm.
usually do rights and all, right? Expiry.
Right. Yeah.
And then there's a description. Similarly, let's just say English.
This description is the longer text that appears below the headline. Is this
Yes.
that text?
Yes.
Okay.
So again, for English, we have English, and then when we do Hindi, we get a
Hmm.
Hindi description demo.
Hmm.
Similarly, for summary as well, we have summary.
This is optional, right? We don't have to.
Yes,
Ah.
all star marked are required, but this is
Hmm.
optional.
Okay, fine.
When I do Hindi, then we get Hindi summary.
Okay.
And
I just had a question. When we're putting English values and Hindi values, um, like we can choose not to put either, right? Like for example, if it's an English video, they'll only have an English value and
Correct.
not a
Yeah,
Hindi
yeah.
value.
For
for English,
Hindi, yeah.
we can do English and leave, but for any other language, English is mandatory.
So for a
Mhm.
Hindi video, I will have to put an English title.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, keywords as usual, whatever you give, I will.
Again, these keywords are for internal purpose, like searching in our internal database, or are they, does it have an impact on discoverability of video on the web in general?
Ideally, it should be on the SEO, on the site search, everywhere. Right now, on the Cricinfo, we don't have a proper search, so we're not using it. But going forward, if we have a search, then we should be using these keywords as well
Okay.
for better ranking.
Okay.
And then keywords can be anything. whatever you
Hmm.
think would make sense for the video. And
Hmm.
then there's this content ID. When we do generate content ID, they give this. So it's basically their Hotstar content ID.
Okay.
Like how we have our object ID, they have their
Right.
content ID. We
Right.
just have to copy this and keep, because we use it for the video processing. Now that's in the basic info.
Hmm.
In the other info, we have SEO slug as to what we usually do in ours. We have SEO slug in our CMS as well.
Mm-hmm.
Same SEO
Mm-hmm.
would come here. Sorry, this is URL slug.
So the desk will have to come for this. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, she's saying.
Yeah.
Sushmita is saying she'll try and get them on
Okay.
board as well because
I
because
will
yeah,
initiate that today itself. I didn't know they do all of this.
right. Shamo is the guy who leads the team there, so you can maybe reach out to him and try and see.
Mm. So I'll just go over the document also once, just so if there are any missing pieces, you can let me know. I'll add them. I've added all the constants that are required, and for languages, I've given what we should be doing.
Yes.
Once we have the ID,
Hmm.
I'm just saying you keep the ID handy for.
So far we haven't uploaded a video, right? In the
No,
sense that
no.
process has. Okay. Just the
So
metadata
first is the
being
metadata creation.
okay.
Then that's the basic info. Now in the other info tab,
Hmm.
we have SEO slug and
Hmm.
we have audio language. You can put English or Hindi. This is the actual language flag
Of
that
the
we
video.
use. Yes.
Hmm.
So let's just say we're doing Hindi because I've given Hindi there.
Hmm.
Subtitles we don't do. Then there is something called embeddable content flag. This should be whitelist.
Okay.
This does not show anywhere on the site, but this is uh this we are saying, okay, you whitelist this video for the
Hmm.
JHS player to play.
Okay, got it. Just go
Okay.
up. Sorry. Sushmita, if you can just scroll up. There's the subtitle bit.
Hmm.
What is that exactly? Like, can we request auto subtitles on the video or something? Or
No, so they do subtitles, right? Like when they have shows and episodes, they have subtitles at the bottom
okay.
if you see in the
Yeah.
Hotstar.
So I'm asking, can we
So
auto
they
generate
don't do auto. I think they upload files for
a
it.
separate SRT or VTT file? Okay.
Yeah. So because we don't have, I've left it blank for now.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, so the SEO slug, the audio language, and the whitelist, these are the three things that we should be doing in this tab.
SEO slug, the language, and the whitelist. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so in the other info, I've said the SEO slug, audio language, and the
And
flag.
also this, if you go back to that page, the life cycle category, that bit also, it has to
This
be
one?
VOD. This one, right?
Yeah, this is auto filled.
Auto build. Okay, perfect.
And then we have the video data. This for now, because we don't have a video uploaded, we'll just keep it and use SVOD and save.
Sorry. This is for all videos we have to do this.
Yeah, for all videos, just do this. This is just a test uh, thing to submit in the CMS. Basically, it does not accept without this.
Okay.
So we'll just save this. In the upload image, you can choose from existing or upload a new image. Upload a new image will obviously take you to
This
your,
is the thumbnail of the video.
yes.
Okay.
When you do procedure, it will obviously take for your laptop upload.
Mm-hmm.
And choose from existing, they'll give you all the existing images. You can choose from there. These obviously includes Hotstar images as well.
Got it. Okay.
And now let me just say,
Okay.
just select anything. That's the image. This is not for us. This is not for us. This is not for us. Yeah, that's it. Basic
So the
info
first
and
four
other
things.
info is that, yeah. And I do submit. Basically, our metadata is created, and this is our video ID in the Hotstar system.
Okay.
Now, once the metadata is submitted, we want to upload a video. And to upload a video, I've given AWS login already. Just log into this.
Hi. Yeah.
That video is there.
I'll get back to you.
So all of you
Rahul,
already
when do you need
have
it by?
access to this. Just
When do you
keep
need
this
it by?
link handy.
Okay, so maybe in a day or two.
Sorry, this step is for what exactly?
To upload a video.
No,
This is now we are
this
actually uploading.
okay. So I filled in the details in the previous step, and right now I'm actually uploading the file. Is
Yes,
that
yes,
what's happening?
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So to upload a video, you have to log into this account because they store all videos in AWS S3. Inside this, there's a bucket called HCS Media Source Quick Info. That's again there in the onboarding SOB. You can visit that link and log in. Now they have a structure to upload videos.
Sorry, to
Inside,
find this bucket, do we have to put it in the search or something? This HES media source, whatever.
yeah, I mean, keep this link handy if you want to directly.
Can bookmark it, no? So if we log in, it'll
Mm-hmm.
directly take us here. Like if we say,
Yes. So this is the PP link. For the prod, again, similar link you will have. So, have you guys taken Confluence Access because this has all the links in it?
Confluence, no, I think yesterday I reached out to them. Somewhere it got stuck in something. I'll just check again. But yeah, the others I think should be easier. But we'll figure out, yeah, the Confluence
Yeah,
thing.
for now I've given the prod and PP links in the chat. You can
Yeah.
bookmark these. Yeah. So once we log in, we see these folders. We
Hmm.
should always upload videos inside source, create. Inside create, they follow the structure of a date. So it should be in the prod in this format.
So first we have to create a folder. Is that what you're saying?
Yes. So to create a folder, we're saying we want to create a folder.
Hmm.
And this folder, I mean, we do it per date, right? So we only do it once every day.
Right, right.
So 2026 folder name, then 0623. So I create the folder. You can use this to search.
Hmm.
And inside a folder, now I'll have to upload a video inside inside this folder. So basically, all videos will be uploaded on whatever date they are being created under that folder.
Hmm.
I'll just rename one of the video that I have. Okay, the file name has to be whatever content ID we have created, .mp4 or .moe, whatever is the format.
So just the content ID has to be there. Okay.
Yes. So the reason why we are using content ID is the same bucket wherever we are uploading videos is
Hmm.
also being consumed by the Disney or the ESPN team.
Okay, okay.
Now, for them to understand, acha, this video maps to this metadata, we are saying, okay, we will map via this content ID.
Got it.
Okay, so that is the reason why we are renaming everything as content IDs. Otherwise, we can rename anything.
Sure.
So add files. Sorry, is this the one that I
Yeah, 7-1, I think. No, 1-8.
3318? This one. Okay. Yeah, the video is uploaded. That is all we should do in this dashboard, nothing else, just the video upload.
Okay.
Now we come back to CMS. That is your step 2, is video upload by creating a folder under this folder. So I've given sample path here for reference.
Mm-hmm.
Now we want to process that video. To process the video, we go back to the CMS, something
Hmm.
called video operations.
Hmm.
In the video operations, we have pre-transcoding.
Hmm.
Transcoding is actually where your video gets processed into segments for the delivery and all. So take the content ID that we have copied, search for it. In the file name, we again has this been uploaded. Weird. Okay, so once we
So
upload a video file there, I expect that video file to be in this drop down right now. Right now, I'm not seeing it. I don't know why I'm not seeing it. But let me just take some other sample video which was already uploaded by our QA team. Uh, sorry, is somebody saying something?
no.
Yeah. So the same file name should ideally appear here, but right now I'm not seeing this. I'll check with the Hotstar team. So I take that, let's just say this has been uploaded. I take that file and link it. Oh, okay. Understood. They have a certain format to upload. Do I have some other videos that were shared? .mov.
Correct. Yes, yes, yes.
Wow, why is it taking so long? Is it a big video?
Might be a bigger file. No, it's actually not too big also.
Yeah, 2 minutes. And what's the duration of this? Is 2 minutes, 3 seconds. That has to be the duration. So the duration has to be 123. Very good. Okay, let me try if I'm getting this in the. Drop down into 7.1. Yeah. So this is the file that I uploaded right now.
Right. Well, the issue was the duration was not matching, is it?
No, they have some standards in terms of file uploads as well. So because it's a sample file, this must have not been shown. This was actually shared by you guys.
Acha, acha. Okay.
Yeah. So I'll just do link. Basically, we're saying we want to link that video to this content ID. And it'll take whatever duration it is. It'll basically see if there are any subtitles.
So we'll take the metadata that we've added earlier.
Yeah. And also
Okay.
take the video metadata.
Okay.
And once the link happens, then we just do transcode. Under transcode, you're saying we want to transcode for Cricut for all. Do submit. So it will take a minute or two to transcode and process that video.
Okay.
Once the transcoding happens, it should be good to be live. Now in our CMS, inside multimedia, we have added something called submit Hotstar ID. So you can search by Hotstar ID, because once you submit here, you may not know what is the object ID that got created here, right? I mean, here in the drop down, you're seeing it, but you may not always see. Does that make sense?
Sorry, come again. You have in our CMS added an option of search by Hotstar ID. Okay. So that same ID that we used over there for the video, we
Yeah.
paste it here.
Yeah,
Okay.
right
And
now you're
then
seeing it in the drop down because there's only one content that we have created. When we create a lot of contents, obviously you would want to search by Hotstar ID. So
right,
you
right.
can either search by Hotstar ID or use
So when
this.
you submit this, what will happen?
When we open the Hotstar ID, you basically get
CMS ID for that.
yes, and you see
Okay.
all those values that you have added
Okay, okay, okay.
here.
Mm-hmm.
So you can map accordingly your SEO title, whatever SEO slug you have added in the CMS is our SEO title. Then
Right,
you
right.
in the
Understood.
summary description and all.
Correct.
And you can add the other data that we usually add, right? Like we add genre.
One other thing, sorry, finish this, I'll tell you.
Okay. So, okay, here you will see whatever thumbnail you have added in the
Mm-hmm.
Hotstar CMS, the path that you will see, and you can add genre. Let's just say I'm adding whatever genre we want, and have expiry and start time, whatever you give in the Hotstar CMS, again, you should see here. Geo whitelisting, genre, is what we majorly add in the CICMS. Thumbnail, again, we don't care. Related objects you can add.
Yeah, this is fine. This we are aware of, so that's
Yeah,
fine.
and then we'll just do submit to
Correct,
database.
correct. That's the usual process. Okay, got it. So now a few questions. This geo target bit in this, when we're uploading in Hotstar, the metadata over there, there is no option to select any geolocation from there, is it?
No, no, they don't have
No.
it because
Acha.
they're not
Not a
live
worldwide.
across the globe. Yes.
Mm.
So their app is only there in a few countries.
Right,
So
right.
they don't have this restriction. That is the
Oh,
reason why we are having this restriction. And they have different set of genres. We have a different set of genres.
correct.
So these both are something that we want to do in
So
our.
you are saying the geo target has to happen in RCMS only.
Yes. Yes. And the
Okay.
genre
But
has to happen in our CMS.
right, genre is fine. But the geo target in our CMS, is that like, is it working properly or?
Yeah. It's working.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Because a lot of our videos, the issue happens, no, we have rights, especially for rights-based videos. We have it only for certain regions. So we need to be very careful and not in the video not being shown elsewhere.
Yeah.
So
No,
just
that flow we haven't changed at all.
No, because see, until now we used to do it in Tagger, the the geo target bit. The option was there in Tagger to geo target. Uh, this one, I mean, as long as this is working, there's no issue.
Yeah, I
But
think it was slightly buggy, huh, Suketu, like
the
CMS.
CMS one, no?
Yeah, CMS
Really? I
geo-targeting.
mean, was that being added via Tagger?
Yes,
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 yes.
not via CMS.
Yeah, yeah,
In that case, we need to test this out.
Yeah,
yeah,
because
because
right now we have like restricted videos, especially match clips.
yeah,
That could be a problem.
Okay, then let's test it out today with
Hmm.
some videos that we have in QA or maybe in prod as well, if we can take some old videos and test them out. But yeah, that I think then can be picked up. But we should do that testing on priority because we want to launch the player tonight.
yeah.
Okay, that I'll make a note of it. And then we
Okay.
also add show type, I know, show code type. Whatever basically we add in the CMS, you can continue to add, except for the fields that you're adding in the Hotstar CMS.
Mm-hmm.
Everything else can be edited. So these fields, whatever is coming from Hotstar CMS, can't be edited here.
Oh, can't be edited.
Yeah.
Okay.
But is
All
there
right.
a way to get that editable, make that editable? No, not possible.
You mean, yeah, no, we will restrict these. We have not restricted for now because you guys are still using the CMS, right?
No, can you keep these editable to
Edit
the
option.
edit
Yeah.
No.
basically? No?
No, I'll tell the issue here. If we edit here, how will this data flow back to Hotstar? There is no reverse integration, right?
Yeah, but right now that's anyway not happening in the sense the
Yeah,
videos
these
are not
videos not going
really
to
going
Hotstar.
on Hotstar. So
Yeah, right now they're not going. Again, as I said, there should always be only one source of truth.
no, no, fair enough. It's just that I mean, the desk then needs to change over there. It's a
Hmm.
it's a thing for like usually they change all this before it goes on the site since they are the ones who are the sub editors and kind of keeping a track of all the content that's going on the site and giving the right headline, summary, SEO, everything. We don't really do that at our end. So that's why it's important that then they have access to the Hotstar CMS to change things. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take that as an action
So
item.
either they change it there or on Cricinfo CMS, wherever it is more convenient, but they need to have the option of changing these things. Yeah.
Okay.
Also, the other thing I wanted to ask is now the show code part that we used to add in Tagger, which used to basically um, give targeted ads to certain videos, which say if there's a sponsor video that we are putting up and then we want the sponsor ad to play before the video.
Yeah, we
So
have to add show code type from here only.
inside our CMS, okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Also, we have to check on the ads with Chandu. I think he's also migrating the GAM account from ESPN to Cricinfo account.
Okay, okay.
So if there's anything with the ads, I think you'll have to ping Chandu there. Already I have, gave that integration key, whatever data gets added in the Cricinfo database for videos,
Hmm.
all of that is being added to a separate GAM account, which is our GAM account. Earlier, we were pushing data to the ESPN GAM account.
Okay, got it.
So that integration is there. Apart from that, any other changes we can discuss with Chandu.
Okay, done. Okay. I'll also check with him. Okay.
Yeah.
One other thing, now say some of our colleagues in UK also upload to Cricinfo. Will they be able to do it through Tagger or how? Like
No tagger at all. So tagger will get
even
decommissioned.
for them because they are still Disney employees.
Then I think either we have to upload it ourselves or we have to take approvals to give access to them. Give Hotstar CMS access to them.
Okay, okay. Okay. No, I'm saying the option of adding any video through Tagger will completely go away, is it?
Yes.
Achha, okay. Even for the UK folks. Who?
As long as they upload for the Cricinfo, yes.
Okay, got it. Yeah, because our CMS and Tiger won't be linked, I'm guessing, going
Yeah.
forward.
Yeah.
It's a link to the JioStar. Okay, okay, cool. Um, the other thing was now changes to the video in the sense sometimes if there's some correction and we want to upload the video again, um, is there a way just to change, keeping all the metadata and everything same? Is there a way
And
to,
just the file, if you can just
yeah,
change.
add a different file
Um,
for the same metadata?
Let me check with them and update the documentation for that flow as well. That if you want to correct a video, I think we can unlink and then relink with a different file name. But the file name always has to have the content ID, right? So right now what we're doing is we're using something like this, V2, V3, V4. So version 2, version 3 for the same content.
Correct. So this even we can use like this.
Yeah. But let me just test or verify it with them and
But this
give it in the-
version 2 and all that, does it go in the file name? Like with the
Yes.
file name? Okay.
Yes. And then the
Yeah.
ESPN team also consumes, okay, this is the latest version that we have uploaded.
Okay. Got it. Okay. And the other question was, is there a way to upload multiple videos at a time, like a batch upload kind of thing? Or
In the upload, I think,
actually, no, you have to, I mean, yeah, you have to anyway create metadata separately for each video
yeah, you
and
can only
then
do with
link
the
them.
content
So,
ID. So
yeah, so you need only one at a time. Okay, fine.
That upload folder option, what happens on that one? Like, can I upload a folder of 10 videos over here?
you can, but the thing is, if you have uh, a list of videos with the right content IDs, then it's fine.
Basically, if you have the metadata ready and the content ID generated from there, like, because the content ID and the video title has to match.
Okay.
So if you create a metadata thing and then batch upload, then maybe it should be fine. Then you have to link it.
So who publishes in the CICMS?
So the desk, the editorial
desk.
desk will finally publish. We just submit it and share the ID with them,
Okay.
and then they go and they finally publish it on the site and link it to wherever it has to go.
Okay. Cool. Maybe you guys can go through the dashboard once.
Sorry. No, go ahead, Nikhil. Sorry, go ahead, Nikhil.
In the Hotstar CMS, when we're changing all those values, so like most of those values are the same, right? For every video.
Are
You
they same?
No. When you're adding metadata first in the Hotstar CMS,
Yeah. Okay.
when you
You mean
create,
the constants. Okay.
yeah. Is there a way you can create like a preset where all those constants will remain the same and we don't have to like keep doing it? Because on days like the World Cup, there'll be like 20 plus videos to be uploaded.
Right.
So,
So, actually, because this is not our CMS, I cannot commit right away. So Hotstar works in a quarterly manner. Any request that we want them to take up, we have to raise tickets 1 quarter prior.
Oh, so now
So now they are getting
September.
into JS quarter. I will try raising a DM. If they accept, it's fine. Otherwise, we'll have to wait for 3 more months.
so you're saying it is possible to.
Yeah.
I think it should be possible. Yeah, that'll save time and like kind of help us generally because Hotstar and all the volume might not be as much
Yeah.
as compared to
Yeah.
us. So
Yeah.
Hmm.
No,
Or
I
we
will
can.
I will talk to NT or Manoj and then ask for a ticket for them. I'll see
Uh,
if they'll accept it.
okay. Yeah, I just had one last question, I think, which was the last thing for us is to link the video in the CMS and then hit transcode, and that's it, right? That's the end of the process at on the yeah. So
So after the transcoding happens, in the video dashboard, we should be checking if that video has got processed fully or not. So if the video is processed fully, we should see complete like this.
acha, acha, okay.
We see the status as complete. Once it's complete, then we are like, acha, the video is fully transcoded. So I'll just take this as an example. This has failed. I don't know if it's a PP thing. What if I go to this content ID search, edit? If the video has processed, then we will see all of these playbacks being generated like this.
Hmm.
If we have this data, then the video is ready to be live.
Okay.
You can also verify from here, or you can also verify from the video dashboard status. Anything is fine. Only once this is done, we should publish in the CI CMS. That is why I wanted to check who does the publish part.
Right, right. Okay. And the in terms of troubleshooting, anything if we are facing issues, you have I think mentioned some Slack
Yeah.
channel, right?
Yeah. For anything on the CMS part,
Hmm.
where if there's an error while submitting your metadata, if there's an error
Yes.
for any sort of metadata, then we call the content ops. Let me just edit it. So I've given a channel here, but the name has changed now. Content platform. There's a Slack channel called Content Platform. Anybody can get added into it. And so they don't pick again requests, uh, you know, uh, basically they don't pick direct requests. We have to call whoever is on call that day.
Call as in uh, like through Slack or on
Yeah,
the
through
phone.
Slack in the content platform. Yeah. This is an open channel. You guys can join. So any issue on that particular day, people are on rotation.
Understood. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So when you tag on call, they will automatically be tagged.
Okay. So you just have to start your thing with that saying,
Yeah.
and then okay, 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 fine.
This is for the CMS.
Yeah.
Anything on the video,
Hmm.
like video transcoding hasn't happened, or you see the status as error, like how I see right now. Anything for the video part, there's a channel called Video Platform. Similarly, we have to tag on-call ingestion engineering. So every channel has its own on-call tag.
Got it.
Here I can add you. This is a private channel. To who else?
Nikhil Shetty, Shashrik, yeah, SH.
This one?
Yeah, yeah. Shashrik and also Nikhil on.
Nikhil Anand, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Sayed.
Syed, she added, I think.
Added.
Acha.
This is for video issues, and
Yeah,
content platform is open. You can just join. This is for CMS issues.
got it.
Yeah. That's the whole flow.
Okay. Cool. Yeah.
I am trying to automate some of it. I'm trying to ease some parts of it. I'm trying to move video upload to the CMS itself. But as I
RCMS, Cricinfo CMS.
no, the Hotstar CMS instead of logging into a different AWS dashboard.
Okay. Got it. Yeah, yeah.
So, but as I said, they only take tickets quarterly.
Quarterly,
I
yeah,
am
yeah.
not sure if they'll accept it. I have already raised it, but let's just see. Yeah.
But can we keep a tagger going for a while now?
But how long is it like going to be on till Tiger? Like how long till
Last
we?
day is June 30.
So okay, so this
From
week.
July 1st, we are legally not allowed to use it.
Okay, okay.
So
Yeah, I
till
know.
then, I think you guys have 1 week. I think till then you should get used to this interface.
Yeah, that's what at least we have this period when both are active, so we can try out a few things in the Hotstar CMS while actually uploading through Tagger, because right now the volume of videos is quite a lot, given the Women's World Cup is on and all that. So
Hmm.
just to make sure like we don't uh, get delayed because of issues regarding the system and all, we'll try and do it through Tagger right now. But yeah, but I'm from first, then we'll obviously have to move to Hotstar. We don't have a choice. So that's how we'll do. The only thing is this, Sushmita, if you can just make sure the geo target part in our CMS, uh,
Tested, yeah.
just testing if when we upload a video through the Hotstar process, and if this geo target on in our CMS, Cricinfo CMS is working properly.
Hmm.
The rest of it, I think, is fine. We we try it out and hopefully get a hang of how to do it. So
Yeah. On the Geo, yes, I will ask people to test it out.
yeah,
What was the other thing? The onboarding of the editorial team. Yeah, okay.
that is yeah. Just maybe you can chat with Shamo. Have you spoken to Shamo before? You would have, I'm guessing.
I will talk to him. Okay. Yeah, I know him.
Huh,
I'll
huh.
speak to him.
Yeah. Yeah, because in terms of changing then things in the Hotstar CMS ID, if their team doesn't have access, then it might be uh, a little bit of an issue. So yeah, cool. Yeah, if anyone has
So
any other
that way, even
questions,
more important is getting Leslie's team also on this, because they are very particular now about this.
yeah, correct, yeah. Even the features team, Sushmita, Leslie and Nishi and Dipti, I think three of them handle the features content. So uh, they would also uh, require access and the ability to edit the metadata. So they don't need to worry about the upload process and all like we have. All
Okay.
they need the training or the access to is the Hotstar CMS, where based on the Hotstar video ID, they can just change the metadata around. That's, I think, so that is straightforward, right? In the sense, even after I upload a video, if I just go to that ID in Hotstar CMS, I can change the metadata over there, right? If there is any headline or summary changes that we
Yeah.
need to make.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then they just need that part, like access to just being able to go there and change the metadata for whatever videos we upload.
Hmm.
So yeah. So the editorial and the features team both will require this. Otherwise, I think the rest of it is fine.
Okay, cool. Would suggest to take Confluence access, because if there's any change,
Yeah.
will
I
be
think you
updated.
guys, I think now just reach out to, I think Sushmita had said IT help,
Yeah.
ask them for Confluence access. Or they might ask for your manager's approval. I saw where it got stuck. Basically, Sambit had to approve something, which he hasn't done. So that's why my thing hasn't got processed. But you all can do it and I'll approve it, and then it'll be, at least you all
You
will have
can
access.
tag NT, Nitesh Tiwari.
Acha,
He will
okay.
approve, he will also approve that, okay, from the tech perspective, they will need this documentation access.
Oh, great. Nitesh Tiwari.
I think he will respond immediately.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I'll
Okay.
just check with Leslie and ask him to collate the list for me.
Yeah,
Uh,
and Shamo also, please,
yeah,
because that
sure.
is like the bigger team, and yeah, they need the access for sure.
Okay, cool. Thanks, guys.
Okay, thanks, Sushma. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.